Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Nimble CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up an email funnel in your Nimble CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want an email funnel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to automate contacts with your leads, and with an email funnel, you can have emails go out automatically with certain triggering events. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Nimble CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Nimble account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up an email funnel, here on the left side, you're going to click on Outreach. When you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on Sequences. Okay, once you do that, you want to click on this blue button here, New Sequence. Okay, so the cool thing about Nimble CRM is they have a lot of templates that you can use for your email funnels. So marketing, sales, e-commerce, all this right here. So you want to choose one that fits your goals. You can build out an email funnel from blank right here, but it's just going to take a little bit longer. Usually I'm going to use the templates, and you can edit those templates. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, Welcome Message Sequence. So they let you know this is for when someone signs up or they're added into your contact list. Okay, so they're going to give you a little bit more information. So basically this is going to be a 3-step welcome email, next tips and resources, and then third, a check-in or an offer. So I'm going to use template right here. Okay, once you do that, it's going to ask you to name the sequence. So I'm going to go ahead and name this Make Money Taco Email. Okay, next you want to click Create New Sequence. Okay, so first thing you want to do is what's going to trigger this email funnel. So click here on Add and click on Condition. Okay, so I'm going to add this one as likes tacos. Okay, and right here I'm going to say if there's a tag that was added onto this person. So let's say contact, and they got a tag, and the tag is tacos. Okay, I'm not able to do that because I haven't added that as a tag. So let me delete that, and let's go ahead and say this one as Chinese food. So if a contact in my list is tagged as Chinese food, as liking Chinese food, they're going to be added to this list, this email funnel. So let me change this from likes tacos to likes Chinese food. Okay, so once they're tagged, then we're going to go ahead and add an action. Okay, so here we go. So that person was marked as likes Chinese food. So if they were tagged as Chinese food, they're going to follow this green line, and then they're going to receive this email right here. So go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here is the email here. If you want to edit the email, which you probably will, you're going to click here on this little pencil icon, and then you're going to make it fit for whatever your email funnel is. So for me, I would say, hey, I saw that you like Chinese food. Me too. Here's my favorite restaurants. And then we're going to scroll down. Okay, so next it's going to wait for 3 days, as you can see right here. So we can change this. So maybe we want to wait for only 1 day, not 3 days. So you're going to click on this little pencil icon. So we have it as 3 days. Let's go ahead and change this to 1 day. If you want to change it to hours, you can do that as well. You can exclude non-business days, so Saturday and Sunday, like they've done here automatically. So that looks pretty good. Okay, so after 1 day, as you can see right here, wait 1 day, they're going to receive the second email. So here's the next email. Okay, so here is my next email. So you want to click on this pencil icon, edit it. So maybe I'm going to ask something like, did you go to any of the restaurants that I recommended for Chinese food? If so, what did you think? Just trying to engage them. And let me scroll down. Okay, by default, they're going to wait another 4 days for the next email to go over. So for me, that's kind of a long time. So let me go ahead and open this up. Here's the pencil icon once again. And maybe I'm going to go ahead and just say this is 4 hours later and save the condition. Okay, so 4 hours later, they're going to receive this email. Let me go ahead and open up this email. Okay, so in this email, maybe I'm going to say, oh, by the way, because it's only 4 hours later, by the way, I have a coupon for this particular restaurant if you wanted to go check it out, or whatever the offer is for you. And let me close this down. Okay, and then as you can see, you can continue adding in more and more emails. So for the purpose of this video, this is really basic. This is only going to be a 3-step, but you could have this at 10 steps. You could have it at 12 steps and just continue sending these emails out automatically when these triggers are initiated. So once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the publish button here on the top right. Okay, so now this email funnel is live. So anytime somebody is tagged as Chinese food, they're going to be added into this email funnel. So what I can do is I can go over here to my contacts here on the left. Okay, so here's all my contacts, and maybe this person here, and this person here, and this person, and this person. I know that they like Chinese food. So what I can do is I can go ahead and check the box next to them, and then click on tags. And then I'm going to go ahead and tag them as Chinese food. Once I tag them as Chinese food, they're going to be added into that email funnel. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an email funnel or an email sequence in your Nimble CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.